Okay, welcome to Pots, Pans, Pioneers. Today I'm going to be making a chicken southwest salad. It's a chicken southwest pasta salad. So I've got some rigatoni here that I've already cooked. I boiled it for 10 minutes, turned the stove off, drained it, rinsed it in cold water to stop the cooking, and I put it in this giant bowl. These summer salads you're going to love because they can stay in your refrigerator for a week and you can eat on them. They're great for dinner, lunch, and you don't have to heat up your kitchen during the summertime. So the next thing we're going to add is going to be, this is grilled chicken, like a fajita chicken if you buy it already prepared at the store. I cook this, but it's just chicken chopped up. The recipe calls for 1.5 cups, but I add more just because the last time I made this, there wasn't enough chicken. It didn't feel like there was enough chicken. So I added chicken to it. The next thing we're going to add is I've chopped 1 green onion. I've chopped a half of tricolor peppers, so yellow, orange, and red. And then underneath that, I've got some red onion. I don't normally cook with red onion, but I'm going to an event, so my husband's not going to be able to eat this. So I was able to use onion this time, and normally, as you guys know, I don't cook with fresh onion, but this time I did. I think it's going to be really yummy, and this particular salad doesn't really do good. You can use onion powder if you don't like fresh onions, but I would not use dehydrated onions in this particular recipe. So let's just give it a quick stir. Now our dressing is going to be unique. You can buy the Hidden Valley Ranch honey barbecue dressing. That works great in this. But I'm going to use a cheddar bacon, and I'm going to add a little bit of barbecue sauce, very little, maybe 2 tablespoons, just to give it that smoky flavor. And the barbecue sauce I'm going to use has honey in it, and honey is a part of the dressing that's in the honey barbecue with the Hidden Valley Ranch. I couldn't find the Hidden Valley Ranch honey barbecue at the store this week to make this particular salad, but I'm going to improvise. I'm going to use bacon, cheddar, and a little barbecue sauce. So let me grab all those and we'll be back in just a minute. Beans. And this is going to be a really hearty salad. I'm telling you, it has everything in it you could ever want. I have a friend who is a vegetarian, and she uses tofu in this recipe instead of chicken. So I've never tried it because I don't eat tofu, but if you're a vegetarian, this is something that you could probably try as well. And my bowl really isn't big enough, but I'm going to do my best to kind of get it all mixed in here. Kids love this recipe. My family members like to use chipotle sauce in it and chili peppers. I don't do any of that because I don't like spicy food that much. But this is just spicy enough for me. So, okay. What we're going to do next is we're going to get our dressing. Now again, I'm using the cheddar bacon, and I'm going to use some Sweet Baby Ray's is my very favorite barbecue sauce. I used to make my own until I found this, and I thought, what the heck, this is better than anything I've ever tasted, so I really prefer it. Now I'm going to do a little bit of drizzle. I'm not going to put a lot because I don't want to overpower this with barbecue sauce. It wouldn't go well. So you can do it to taste, whatever you think, you know. And then we're going to add this is the cheddar bacon. And let's get this mixed in really well. A little goes a long way, so you can add, but you can't take it back. So I'm just going to add, you know, until I see it all mixed in really well. telling you, people love this salad, and you could sit and eat it bowl after bowl. What would be really good is if you use whole wheat pasta. I mean, that's a real good healthy meal right there if you use the whole wheat pasta, or even the mix. I don't know if y'all have seen at the store, but they have wheat and the plain pasta mixed together. That's really good. Maybe look for that next time you're at the store. Okay, and the next ingredient is going to be shredded cheddar cheese, and I'm going to fine shred mine because I think if it's chunky it's going to be kind of not good, and I really want the flavors to kick without overbearing it with cheese, and I've already got the cheddar dressing, so I don't want to do that. But let me fine shred some cheddar, and I'll be back in just a second. Cheddar cheese, and we're just going to mix it in really well. Again, if you like a lot of dressing, go for it. I don't want to pack this with calories. This is really just a great, full of protein. Beans, chicken. Now, the funnest ingredient of all that you can add in here is going to be Fritos. And that's why I haven't really salted and peppered anything, because the Fritos are really going to add a punch and a crispiness to this. So we're going to add, I'm going to let this set overnight and marinate all the flavors together before I add the Fritos. I think that's super important. So we're going to put a lid on this and get it refrigerated, and hopefully in the morning I have time to turn on the camera. But if I don't, add a cup and a half of Fritos and toss it in, and you'll have a crispy, great Southwestern chicken pasta salad. Another ingredient you could add is black olives. If you like black olives, I don't, but if you do like black olives, you could mix that in there too. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope to see you on the next video. And everybody enjoy your salads.